Good morning to all you moving people out there. Another bright sunny morning. We managed yesterday to drive to a town called Vinyaros. Had my shift at the side of the road and then moved to this spot here. And today we're going to be going on an adventure. This time I'll be taking you with me on a driving adventure. Meaning, you're gonna see how a day driving looks like with Petrakis and Helix. We're gonna be taking the direction to Alicante and driving now from this spot about 400 kilometers, which is a big stretch I haven't done since a while. And I'm off work, so it's like a good day to do this long driving. Helix is a slow boy, so he will take his hours to get there. So enjoy your morning coffee. If you are already a long time awake, I wish that you had a good start in your day, and join us on this ride. And I don't know what to say anymore. Bye! So, the first stop of the day. I need a couple of things to make this situation work better. Upgradation. Okay. So a couple of things that will ease the travel. So we're back. Coral serves the necessaries. And then a couple of snacks for the way. Okay, this baby got itself now a nice pot, and it's looking good. So this is for me to use it pouring water in the tank. This is because I haven't had yet steady water filter inside the Helix. Well, I close the door because it's a bit loud. It's a bit loud. It's a bit loud. And a chair, because when I park somewhere I can only sit on the drum stool, and it's not that relaxing. Okie doke, here we go. This is the next step of the way. Starting our journey direction Alicante. Go. The baby is getting thirsty, so we'll have to put some diesel in. So put ourselves some fuel, and we're off for the next stretch. We are like short update on the road, almost an hour on the way. Managed about 80 kilometers and steadily progressing. Let's go.
Yeah.
So, here we are. Okay, first stop of the day, first break of the day. In a long drive, we've been now, well, almost 4.5 hours on the road, maybe a bit more. Anyways, we managed now most of the way. We just stopped at this Centro Comercial, Centro Comercial, to take a break on the way, because I thought I might have a look here to maybe make a cuckoo. But yeah, one after the other. The ride until now was really nice. Amazing situation the last half hour. If you saw it, kind of what's called eerie. So much humidity that you can't see. I don't know. Anyways, we are getting amazed. I hope this will not turn into a weather channel. So, got myself the amazingly filtered water. Oh, the idea now is to like find the spot for a longer break and then drive on to, the idea is to reach Alicante, or maybe a bit further more for today, and take it easy for the next days. So that's it for the moment. We're taking it easy. We're gonna be drinking our juice, maybe drink a coffee, and move on. Okay. So back, and Yopa. I thought that I'll just be taking a kind of a lunch break now, and driving a bigger stretch at the end, because for me now it doesn't make sense to go park somewhere and then drive again in the night. I'll just be driving now a bit more, and then my mouth is watering because I got myself before some tortilla de patata con espinacas. I'll have my lunch now, put some diesel into this machine, and then head on for a last stretch this day. That's how it is. Told you some videos before. Long distance driving, it's kind of boring. I mean, of course, the scenery is beautiful. Lots of input. Okay, filtering a bit of the water. I think this thing is good. And while waiting for the coffee to brew, I found a spot. It's a bit further than Alicante, but I think why not? I didn't have now super straight that I want to go to this city or something. It's just I usually just say, okay, if I manage until here at one day, like today where there is a lot of time to drive and do it, then it's cool. And I think okay, the sun will be setting soon, let's say like this, but this last stretch we can go and then the next days will be really relaxed. The sun is setting. Maybe it's better to drive in the night, or like at least not around these hours, this hour. Sometimes it's like that. I don't have the how do you say, the blinds, and it's a bit of bit stressful to like drive when it's when the sun is pretty low and it's like hitting you directly, and I'm driving like towards the sun, so nah. It's okay, we wait. The coffee is hot, needs to cool a bit down. Drink it, we dial in the location, and we go. Okay. So we've dialed in the location, and Naya, Petrakis. It's another 200 kilometers. So baby here is going to kind of limit today, but then from there on we'll be going slowly. I just want to reach kind of the south to enjoy this, let's say the winter, high winter, how do you say, winter season directly in the south. So, but first things first, let's put some petroleo. Okay. Who was that? Okay, let's go. Llevame. What a nice time to be riding. The sun, the fireball is setting. You can like see it with the naked eye. Ah! It's the, how do you say it? Fireball. Put it on, DJ. I'm Mr. Clarko. Beautiful time to be riding. I think it's gonna be a nice ride to this location. I'm gonna, yeah. So, we managed. We reached Mazaron, as far as I am informed. the goal of today. Wow, what a ride. Thanks for sticking by till this end part of the video. Yeah, my brain is dead. So I'll be finishing off the video here. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, have a good evening. Peace out and love in. Ciao, ciao.